All right, so for this uh, modeling, texturing, and sketching, modeling, texturing video series, we're gonna do a crab. So for this one, it's a little hard in the sense that the side and the front view are kind of weird. So we're gonna do a top, side, and front view, and hopefully that'll help us. But anyway, so we're gonna do some sketches. We're going to use that to go into Blender, use those as references to model our crab-like creature, and then from there, UV unwrap, texture, paint, and render it all nice and pretty. So yeah, that is our goal. This is the series for that workflow, and hopefully, throughout this process, you learn the basics and you learn that hey, you can either go online or you can use your imagination and create your own 2D sketches and turn them into whatever, and turn them into 3D models. Like, there's no real limitation. But anyway, so to get started, we're gonna do the 2D sketch on Procreate. And again, all you need is a program, an art program, or even like pencil and paper. All you need to do is like take a picture, a JPEG, PNG that you can use as references in the Blender program. Oh, another thing. So for this, we're doing 600 by 600. We're using the Procreate program because that's part of my workflow. And we're going to Canvas, Drawing Assist, Editing, and we're doing symmetry. So it'll make things a little easier for us. Oh, let's go back. Different color. All right. And we're gonna do for the crab like a top view. So let's get on with that. All right. All right. What kind of crab? Snow crab, king crab, blue crab, black crabs, edible crabs, crab pub. Use reference images whenever you can. Make your life easier. Do not make it harder. All right, so let's see. Top view. Gonna make it a little chunkier like this, right? Then the big arms right here. Right. And then like this. Don't make it harder than it has to be. And then I think it's like a crustacean or a spider or something like that. So we have like 8 legs. So okay. And this is like the top view in the sense that it's all just like laid out flat on the ground. So take that into account. We're just using this as reference for a reference, so we're not too confused about what's going on here. All right. And then the eye. So let's make it cartoonish or something. Let's see, like that. All right. And give us some texture. Some works. But yeah, no, just this is good. This is the top view. Now let's do a front view. Let's decrease the opacity on this. Right. And let's go front. All right, with the front view here, we know that it's something like this. make sure you're doing your drawing assist. And then this would be the top. This would be the eyes. And remember, you don't really have to like do it like I am doing. You can be more animated, more cartoonish, like I'm kind of doing like an actual crab. Right. Oh, kind of works out there. All right. All right. And then we have all our legs, but they're kind of like jumbled up and down like this. And then we just like repeat them over and over again here, but make them smaller. Like the scale is like this, but like that. So it's like 4 legs. All right, just, and then let's see, so side, make this lower, and let's take the top off. Right. So side view, you'd have something like, oh, right. Something like this. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect, and that's fine. Yeah, we can do it like this. All right. There's our eye. So it's like a stick, and like two spheres. All right, and then I guess this would be where the big arm would be, and this is where those small arms would be. So, but like this. And I know this isn't like the humanoid other versions, but it does not hurt to try to, what do you call it, expand your capabilities. So don't worry about it too much. And there it is. All right. So now we got our front view, our side view, and our top view for this crab. Give everything back to normal opacity. Now let's see what else we can do. So we got our sketches, but do we want to give this a little top hat? Oh, sorry. Yeah, we can do that. Let's go to front and give our crab like a little top hat. So Mr. Krabby Pants. All right, so a little top hat. Let's make sure we add it to the side. It's like this. Yeah, something like that. Let's see, what else can we add? That's better. So because we're texture painting, you know, we're creating a UV unwrap. So let's say this is the hat, right? So, oh, sorry. Let me do a top. Yeah, right here. Okay. So let's say this is the hat. So when we UV unwrap, it'll be like this, like multiple profiles that can be colored in, and so we can paint in there. And other things we can add would be like a little moon or weird symbols or stuff like that. So we can give it like tattoos, like not just on the hat but on the body if we wanted to. So little square tattoo, the little, what do you call it, the skull, but instead it's a circles. Yeah, we can do things like that. Just don't forget that we have those options. All right. But yeah, okay. Top hat, and we're gonna do some nice texturing on this. Make it look either cartoonish or cartoonish but with some realistic aspects to it. All right. Hope you like this. Remember, this is just a 2D sketch. This is part of our process. Next, we're gonna teach you how to install Blender, how to install the proper, how to make sure you have the proper add-ons or the most useful add-ons that I know at this time, so that you can model a little faster and make your life easier. So yeah, that's where we're heading next, and